morning students, myself Deepala Kulshrestha, Assistant Professor JACRC. I am here to present the experiment of microwave lab. I am from ECE department and this lab, the experiment is to study the microstrip 3 dB branch line coupler. This is microstrip 3 dB branch line coupler. You can see it is a 4-port signal divider. It is a 4-port network with port 1, port 2, port 3 and this one is port 4. Here it divides the signal in such a way that the power which is applied at the port 1 is equally divided between port 2 and port 3 but with 90-degree phase difference, and no power will be received from this port 4. Here in the signal divider it is used, this type of division of power is required in quadrature amplitude modulation technique. In QAM modulation technique we require two signals which are out of 90-degree phase shifted but equal in amplitude. These type of signals or powers can be generated by such device. Here, how this measurement can occur? We have to just study, but we can also measure these powers. This is a signal generator. This signal generator is being used for providing the power to this branch line coupler. Here, by switching this frequency switch, we can change the value of frequency. We can change the RF level by this switch, and modulation frequency can be tuned by using this potentiometer. I am getting the RF output by this terminal. At this particular time, the frequency is 2.33 Hertz. 2.33 Hertz frequency continuous wave signal is getting from this terminal and it is being applied at port 1. When it is applied at port 1, port 4 will be terminated by 50 ohm transmission line and we will get the output at port 2 and port 4. This will be connected from power meter or VSWR meter to get the value of power received at this port. When we are measuring this port power, we can make it terminate by this mass termination. This is a mass termination. We can terminate it by using this and then can measurement with this port. While we take the value of power received at this port, port number 3, then we have to make a mass termination at port number 2. When all these things are done, we can take the values and these values are represented to study the characteristic of branch line coupler. These characteristics are like this. This is measured characteristic of microstrip branch line coupler where mass loads are connected at port number 2 and 4. You can see there are some particular value at which the value or signal is being lost and then it also start increasing. In the same way, it also happening here. If we talk about the ideal characteristic, this is the ideal characteristic of branch line coupler where with the frequency the values start increasing and at center frequency which is about 10 to the power 4 Hertz, 10 to the power 4 megahertz, at this value the gain is maximum, or we can say there is 3 dB splitter at center frequency. Power is being splitted equally. 3 dB means equal division is there at port 2 and 3. At port 2 and 3 equal division is being occurred and we are getting less power at more frequency and less frequency other than this center frequency. This is ideal branch line characteristic. Thank you.